Let's see how I created this video using Higgsfield AI with the Nano Banana Pro and Kling 2.6 models. This is Higgsfield AI, where you can explore different creative tools. Some exciting offers are currently available, and this is a great opportunity to become a content creator or explore your creativity using AI. I'll start by going to the image section and selecting the Nano Banana Pro model. First, I'll upload the image. As you can see, this poster was already created in Photoshop. If you're curious about how I designed this poster, I've made a dedicated video explaining the entire process step by step. Make sure to check that out. Now, I want to create a few variations of this design. I decided to change the color theme to neon green, so I gave a detailed prompt to the AI. Let's see what result we get. Wow, this is awesome. As you can see, the AI generated a high-quality image without losing any of the original details. The textures, colors, and overall look are still very sharp and clean. Now let me try another variation. This time, instead of neon green, I'll change the color theme to cyan. I'll update the prompt and generate the image again. Let's see how this version turns out. This is so cool. Let me try one more variation. This time, I'll switch the color theme to magenta. I'll update the prompt and generate the image again. Let's see how this version looks. This is also really cool. You can see how easily we're able to create different variations with just a simple prompt and a single click. This gives us a lot more creative freedom to experiment with ideas. For this project, I'm going to choose the green version. Now I'll use this image to create a video and bring the concept to life. To do this, I'll go to the video option. By default, it is set to the Kling 2.6 model, and for now, I'll continue with this model. Later, we'll explore other models as well. First, I'll upload the final image that we selected. Next, I'll describe the idea for how I want the video output to look. I've written a detailed prompt explaining the concept. The idea is simple. This poster should be pasted on a red brick wall, and an athlete jumps down from the wall. While jumping, the athlete is barefoot, and when he lands on the ground, the shoes appear on his feet. I've clearly described this entire concept inside the prompt. Now, let's generate the video and see how the result turns out. This is excellent. The output is exactly what we visualized without any unnecessary variations. Everything looks clean, realistic, and well aligned with the concept. This is honestly amazing. For experimentation, I also tried a couple of other variations. Each variation produced strong and high-quality results. However, I chose the first version because it matched the concept the best and felt the most natural. Sometimes, the first result is already the perfect one. Let me take a moment to explain what Higgsfield AI is and why it's so powerful for creators. Higgsfield AI is a creative platform that allows you to generate high-quality images and videos using simple prompts. You don't need advanced technical skills or heavy software knowledge to get started. Everything works in a very intuitive and beginner-friendly way. Higgsfield offers different models for both image and video generation, like Nano Banana Pro for images and Kling 2.6 for videos. Each model is designed to handle specific creative tasks with high accuracy and detail. One of the best things about Higgsfield AI is how well it preserves image quality. Even when you change colors, styles, or themes, the details, textures, and lighting remain intact. This gives you the freedom to experiment with multiple creative ideas very quickly. Instead of spending hours manually editing, you can generate variations with just one prompt and one click. Higgsfield AI is especially useful for designers, content creators, and marketers who want fast and professional results. It helps you focus more on creativity and storytelling rather than technical complexity. If you're someone who wants to explore AI-powered creativity, build content faster, or experiment with new visual ideas, Higgsfield AI is definitely a platform worth exploring. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this gave you a clear idea of how powerful and flexible Higgsfield AI can be for creative work. From image variations to cinematic video generation, it really opens up a lot of possibilities. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about Higgsfield, I've added a suggested video on the screen right now. Make sure to watch that next to dive even deeper into Higgsfield AI. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.